Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Virgos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. So let's see what are these cards first. Three of Wands, Knight of Swords in reverse, and Seven of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, in your work or in your relationship, you have a lot of competition today. In your career, it may be true, you have people competing with you or competing business in your situation, and you are working hard, trying your best. But some circumstances are not unfolding as it should, and you feel that you should have done more, you should have done a little more to succeed or to see the good changes, but you are a very devoted person, you are trying your best, you are working hard, and you feel a little embarrassed because you feel that the way situation is going, it's your mistake or you are the reason for this negative circumstance or your lack of ability capacity. So you have some anxiety, you feel a little embarrassed the way you are handling your situation, but you are doing your best, but you have a lot of struggles ahead in your life, obstacles you need to overcome in your career, and a lot of things in this relationship. This person is not thinking like you. They are not like you. They are so different. And today, for some reason, they are speaking something or they are arguing with you for something, and you're trying to make them understand, trying to bring some sense into them, but they are not ready to accept whatever you are saying, and they are quite harsh with their words, and there may be some arguments you are seeing today in this relationship, something that is worrying you, making you quite anxious because you want a good relationship with them, a good connection, but they are not ready to understand, and maybe they are taking a break, for some of you moving away. So we will see what is the card. So they have some ideas, or they believe in some in a particular way of handling the situation, and they are relentless sticking on to their rules or their way of life, and it is really difficult for you to make them understand, and they are simply obsessed with their ideas or something they are telling you, and you are unable to change their mind. And I feel that you cannot change this person no matter what, because they are so stubborn. They are sticking on to their uh, what to say, their words or whatever they said. So with these cards, it looks like this person is quite adamant, and even though if you are saying sorry, trying to make amends, they will not come back. This may look like a negative reading, Virgos, but I feel that this separation, it may be for a time being, They will come back once they realize your true love and once they realize how good you are with them and what kindness and love you showered on this person. So we will see what is the card for your career. It's Five of Swords. So with this card, it just means that you are trying your best, working hard, and in your situation, you may see a lot of competition, but your hard work will definitely pay off, Virgos. So, very soon, you will see beautiful results in your career. So, that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Virgos. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.